If you want to make your mobile videos look professional, you have to get rid of the boring parts. Here is the easiest way to split and delete mistakes in less than 2 minutes. Let's head right into it. We are going to start from the very beginning. Tap on CapCut and open it up. Once the app opens, you will see the main dashboard where you have Edit, Template, AI Lab, Project, and Me at the toolbar. Tap on that big New Project or New Video button. This is going to open up your phone's camera roll. Now select the clip you want to work on. I'm going to grab this one right here. Now tap on the Add button. CapCut is going to load it straight into our editing timeline. Where the main video is our timeline. Before we make any cuts, let's talk about navigation. You can use your thumb to swipe left and right to scrub through your footage. Notice that white vertical line right in the middle of the screen? That's your playhead. Wherever that line rests is the exact frame you are looking at. I screen recorded this video we are about to work on, so I made sure my gallery was showing down there just so we can split it out. Go ahead and tap your video clip directly on the timeline. A white border will appear around it. Now look at the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the first option, split. Just like that, your one long video is now broken into 2 separate pieces. But we aren't quite done because we need to isolate the bad parts. Scrub forward through your timeline and stop right where the good footage starts up again. Make sure the clip is highlighted and you will see a border around it. We will tap on split one more time. Now that unwanted section is sitting by itself in the middle. Now let's look at the last step to wrap everything up. Finish it up by just tapping that isolated middle piece to select it. Find the trash icon that says delete and give it a tap. Bye to that awkward mistake. Let's hit play to review it. And there you go, a perfect professional split. And if this helped you out, don't forget to save it for later. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.